Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe in your home. Children, welcome back to Grade 5 Mathematics online class. So, children, in the previous class, we have discussed about the unit 10, that is time, speed and temperature. Is it, ma? And we have discussed about temperature in the last class. And I have given some question answers. Have you learned? I hope you learned. Today we are going to start a new unit in mathematics, that is unit 11, that is money. Okay, unit 11 is money. So children, under this lesson money, we are going to learn a new topic called profit and loss. Okay, new topic called what, ma? Profit and loss. So children, let me explain it to you through an example in departmental store. Okay, ma? Shall we start? So, a person named Mr. Arun is running a departmental store and he buys goods at a lower rate from the wholesalers. Then, he sells these goods to the customers at higher rate. Okay. So, here amount paid by the shopkeeper, that is Mr. Arun, to the wholesalers is called the cost price. Okay, so the amount paid by the Arun, that is the shopkeeper, to the wholesalers is called cost price. Okay, and shortly we can say it as CP. Again, cost price we can call it as CP. Okay, and the amount paid by the customer to the shopkeeper, that is Mr. Arun, is called selling price. Okay, the amount paid by the customer to the shopkeeper is called the selling price, that is we can say it in a short form as SP. Okay, SP. Okay, if the shopkeeper sells these goods for the price higher than the cost price, he earns an extra amount, that is called as profit, or we can say it as gain. Okay, so if the shopkeeper sells his goods for the price higher than the cost price, so he will earn an extra amount, that is called as profit or gain. And we can say profit or gain is equal to selling price minus cost price. Okay, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Otherwise we can say the profit is equal to SP. Okay, SP minus CP. SP minus CP. Okay, and if the shopkeeper sells goods to the customer at a rate less than the cost price, he loses money. This is called as loss. Okay, children, if the shopkeeper, that is the Mr. Arun, sells his goods to the customers at the rate less than the cost price, he will loses amount. Okay, that is called as loss, and we can say it as L. Okay, so loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Okay, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. We can say it shortly as L is equal to CP minus SP. Okay, L is equal to CP minus SP. So children, listen carefully. Amount paid by the shopkeeper to the wholesaler. Okay, the amount paid by the shopkeeper to wholesaler, that is called as cost price. Okay, cost price. In shortly we can say it as CP. Okay, cost price is called as CP. Okay, next, the amount paid by the customer to the shopkeeper. Okay, the amount paid by customer to shopkeeper, that is selling price. That is what, ma? Selling price. The selling price we can say it as SP. Okay, SP. Next, so children, when selling price is greater than cost price, in shortly we can say it as SP is greater than CP. Okay, SP is greater than CP. See, once again, when selling price is greater than cost price, in short we can say it as SP greater than CP. That means the profit we will get. Okay, the amount earned by the shopkeeper is profit. So selling price is greater than cost price, we can say it as the shopkeeper will get the profit. So he will earn some amount. Okay, so therefore profit or gain, we can say it as profit or gain is equal to selling price minus cost price. Okay, selling price minus cost price. Suppose the selling price is greater than the cost price, means that is profit. So we have the formula profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Okay, selling price minus cost price. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Okay, this is a formula for profit. Okay, next, when selling price is less than cost price. Okay, when selling price is less than cost price, in short we can say it as SP is less than CP. SP is less than CP. SP is less than CP. So that is loss. Okay, so amount lost by the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper will lose some amount, that is loss. Okay, so we have the formula loss equal to cost price minus selling price. The formula for loss equal to cost price minus selling price. So in short we can say L is equal to SP minus CP minus SP. L is equal to CP minus SP. Okay. See, once again, when selling price is less than cost price, in shortly we can say it as SP less than CP. SP less than CP. So the amount will be lost by the shopkeeper. The amount lost by shopkeeper is loss. Okay. So we have the formula for loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Cost price minus selling price. Shortly we can say it as L is equal to CP minus SP. L is equal to CP minus SP. Okay, ma? So children, now we can solve few problems to understand profit and loss in a better way. Okay, ma? Children, unit 11, money. See the first Roman number. Understanding profit and loss. Understanding profit and loss. So first one, SP is what, ma? The full form of SP is selling price. The full form of SP is selling price. The next, CP means what? Cost price. CP means cost price. Next we have, when SP is greater than CP, there is a profit. Okay. When SP is greater than CP, that means selling price is greater than cost price, there is a profit. Next, when selling price is less than cost price, there is a loss. So when SP is less than CP, there is a loss. And we have the formula for profit and loss. Look at here, formula for profit is equal to SP minus CP, that is selling price minus cost price. Profit is equal to SP minus CP, that is selling price minus cost price. Then next formula we have loss is equal to CP minus SP. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. That means cost price minus selling price. Cost price minus selling price. So children, in this lesson we have two formulas only. That means profit formula and loss formula. So profit is equal to SP minus CP and loss is equal to CP minus SP. Okay. So by using this we can see the problems. Children, now we are going to see Roman number 2, do the following. Roman number 2 is do the following. So first question we have, when CP is rupees 55 and SP is rupees 50, then find the profit or loss. See question. Once again, when CP is rupees 55 and SP is rupees 50, then find the profit or loss. So in this question, they have given the cost price of some goods, that is rupees 55, and the selling price. Okay, selling price is rupees 50, and we have to find by using the cost price amount and selling price amount is for the shopkeeper it is a profit or loss. Okay, so we can start to do this. So we have to write the solution and we have to given things we want to write. Okay, what are the things given in this question? The cost price, the cost SP and CP is given. Is it ma? CP and SP is given. CP is cost price is rupees 55 and selling price SP is 50. So we can write given CP is equal to rupees 55. That is CP means cost price. CP is cost price is rupees 55. Then SP, that is selling price, is given as rupees 50. Okay, so first we have to write solution and we have to write the given things. So in this question they have given the cost price amount is 55 and selling price amount is 50. So by using this two we can find out that it is a profit or loss. Okay, So we know that when selling price is greater than cost price, there will be the what ma? Profit will be there. Is it ma? So profit, if you have the profit means the selling price is greater than the cost price. But here we have what ma? The cost price is greater than the selling price. That is, selling price is less than the cost price. Okay, selling price is less than the cost price. So we can say it as, here it is a loss. Here it is loss, and we have to find out how much is loss. Okay, so we can write, since SP is less than CP. Okay, from the question we have understand that the SP, that is rupees 50, is less than rupees 55. No, so selling price is less than the cost price. So there will be what ma? There is a loss. There is a loss. There is a loss. So we know the formula for loss. So loss is equal to CP minus SP. Okay, CP cost price minus selling price. So by given things, we can able to understand the selling price is less than the cost price. So there will be a loss will be there. Okay, selling price is less than cost price. So there is a loss. So we have the formula for loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Cost price minus selling price. So in this question, how much is the cost price? Yes, rupees 55 is the cost price. And next we have the symbol minus. What's the selling price amount? Cost price is 55. Selling price is rupees 50. So if you subtract 55 minus 50, you will get rupees 5 as loss. Okay, rupees 5 is the loss amount. Okay, understood? See, once again, in this question they have given the cost price as rupees 55 and selling price is rupees 50, and they asked to find out is it profit or loss. Okay, so we have tried the solution and we have to write the things what are given here. So what is given here ma? In this question they have given the cost price as rupees 55 and selling price as rupees 50. So we know that if it is selling price is less than the cost price, there will be the loss. Okay, selling price is less than the cost price means there is a loss. So we have to write the formula for loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So cost price is rupees 55 and selling price is 50. So if you subtract 55 minus 50, you will get 5. So rupees 5 is the loss. Okay, 5 is the loss. We can move on to the next problem. So children, a second problem we have, when CP is rupees 200 and the profit is rupees 34, then find SP. See, once again, when CP is rupees 200 and the profit is rupees 34, then find SP. So in this question they have given the cost price as rupees 200 and they given in this question they got the profit. Okay, they got the profit of rupees 34. Okay, they got the profit and they have given the cost price. We have to find out the selling price, that is SP. We have to find out what ma? Selling price. So first we have to write the given things. What are given here? Cost price as rupees 200 and the profit is rupees 34. Next we have to find out the selling price. So we know that to finding the selling price, they have given that's a profit. No, so from the given things we have to write. Okay, so profit is equal to SP minus CP, that is selling price minus cost price. Okay, so we can write the formula as profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Okay, so from this we can find out the selling price of the things. Okay, shall we start? So we can write the solution and we have to write the given things. So given SP is equal to rupees 200, that is SP not CP. Okay, given CP. Okay, given what ma? CP is rupees 200. Given the cost price of the thing is rupees 200 and they have given profit also. So how much rupees profit? Rupees 34 is the profit. Okay, so they have given the cost price is rupees 200 and profit is rupees 34. So from the given things we have to write the formula. So what is given ma? Profit given. So we can write therefore profit is equal to, what's the profit formula? Yes, selling price minus cost price, selling price minus cost price, CP minus SP. So we know the amount of profit, no? So rupees 34 is the profit amount, that is equal to, okay, that is equal to, we don't know the SP, that is selling price amount. We can write as it is, okay, selling price minus, what's the cost price given? Yes, rupees 200, okay, rupees 200 is given, okay. So given CPS rupees 200 and profit as rupees 34. So from the given thing, profit we can write, profit formula is selling price minus cost price, SP minus CP. So profit amount is rupees 34, that is equal to selling price we don't know. So we can write, yes, selling price SP minus the cost price is rupees 200, okay. So next we have to take this values, okay, equal to, afterwards what we have, selling price minus rupees 200, okay. So we have to find out the selling price now. So we have to take it to the next this side, okay, to the left side we have to take it. It is in the right side, now we have to take it to the right left side. So we can write SP minus rupees 200, okay, the value won't change, just we can write this value, okay. After the equal to we have SP minus rupees 200, okay, that one we have to take it to the before the equal to, okay. That is SP minus rupees 200 is equal to, and we can write this rupees 34 into the right side, okay. So rupees 34, okay. So SP minus rupees 200 is equal to rupees 34. So from here we can write SP is equal to, okay, SP is equal to, SP is equal to what? Just we have to forget this, okay, now. So SP we have written, SP equal to what? Forgot this, and equal to what we have? Yes, rupees 34, okay, rupees 34. So here we have written SP is equal to afterwards we have rupees 34. Next we have to take it this things to that side, okay. What are leftover things we have? Minus symbol and rupees 200, okay. So if you are taking the minus symbol from the left side to right side, it will change to plus, okay. This one is very important thing, you have to know about this, okay. So if you are taking a symbol from one side to next side, the symbol will change. So here the minus symbol will change to what? Plus symbol, okay. So here we have written SP, that is selling price is equal to afterwards we have rupees 34 we have written. Next we have to take the minus symbol and rupees 200 to the right side. So if you're taking the minus symbol to right side, the minus symbol will change to plus symbol and the rupees won't change, it will be as rupees 200, okay. So now we have SP is equal to rupees 34 plus rupees 200. So if you add rupees 200 and rupees 34, you will get rupees 234, okay. If you add 200, okay, just we can do it as rough work. If you add 200 plus 34, no, so 0 plus 4 is 4, 0 plus 3 is 3, and 2 we have. So we will get the answer as rupees 234 is the selling price, okay. So selling price is SP. So SP is equal to what? Rupees 234. I understood this. So next we can see the homework problem. Children, look at the homework. When CP is rupees 100 and the loss is rupees 13, then find SP. They have given the cost price is rupees 100 and they have given it is a loss, okay. The shopkeeper got loss is rupees 13 and we have to find out the selling price, okay, selling price of that things, okay. So do this problem very easy only, okay. So by using the formula, loss formula, you have to do this question, okay. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, that formula, use it in this question and get the answer, okay ma. So we can meet in the next class, okay. Bye, thank you.